जी जो है वो आए हैं यहाँ पर ट्रायम्फ रियलिटी में बस एक नजरिए के साथ, लेकिन क्या ये इनके लिए लाइफ टाइम प्रॉपर्टी बन सकती है? वेल वी होप दैट हैपेंस, बट अमन यू हैड अ व्यू ओवर इट, यू हैव सीन द प्रॉपर्टी, यू हैव सीन द पैलेस आई एम assuming, and this as a brand reality sector में Triumph, what do you feel about it? What was the first impression of this entire project?
I think it was a very great initiative. I really like the whole layout of this whole project, and given that it is also being built next to the Diamond Wood, which
Yes.
is the hotspot of Surat
It is.
in the upcoming years, I would
Yes,
say.
of course.
So it seems like a very good investment point at because Diamond Wood is going to develop, and a lot of things around it is going
Coming
to
up.
develop.
Yes, of course.
So in the real estate perspective and investment perspective also, it seems like a good spot, and I'm considering it.
Great. When you actually consider a property for yourself, residential, so maybe even for using it in your future, what are the things that you actually see?
So mostly I would look at the location, and I think based on the location of this spot, I am considering it is targeted towards people from outside Surat.
Yeah.
Because anyone in the diamond industry, they would be more attractive towards this, and also it is on the highways area. So I think it won't be for a personal use, of course. It would always be
Investment purposes.
for investment purpose only.
So that's a very great different angle where Aman gets us that for investment purposes, exactly Diamond Woods के बाजू में, very near to Diamond Woods is where this property is. So Aman, tell me, for the developing market that Surat has always been when it comes to reality, how amazing it is to have the metro also, which is going to be linked coming from Diamond Woods. It's
Yes.
going to be joined there also. Not just the Diamond Woods, also metro is going to be
Yes,
passing
it's
by
being
from
constructed.
nearby. So for everyone who's actually looking at it as an investment point of view also, for people in Surat or from outside Surat, what is that one thing that you'd like to say about Triumph Realty and its projects?
I would say they have very interesting projects and coming up, and it is worth to look into it because of the location. And I think it looks like a first mover to me. So
I hope you have the first mover advantage over it.
I guess.
Thank you so much, Aman. It was a pleasure,
Thank you
and
so much.
all the best for your purposes.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, buddy. Thank you.